I've noticed this a lot of times from those people na na-issuean ng visa. Most of them, they don't really understand the difference between the validity of their visa sa duration of their stay. So today, I'm going to explain to you kung ano yung difference ng duration of stay sa validity of their visa. I'm going to use my previous visa sticker for reference. So my last short stay visa was October 12, 2023 until February 12, 2024. So if you notice, it's from October, November, December, January, February. So I was given a 5 months validity and the duration of stay is 90 days multiple entry. So ano bang ibig sabihin nito? Okay, let me explain. Sa loob ng 5 buwan from October 12, 2023 to February 12, 2024, I am allowed to stay in France for 90 days only. Okay? Kahit pa binigyan ako ng 5 buwan na visa validity, but the duration of stay that I am only allowed to stay is 90 days. So, hindi pa pwedeng 5 months din kasi 5 months yung binigay sa akin. No, that's wrong. Because for Schengen visa, may 90 days and 180 days rule sila. Ano bang ibig sabihin ng 90 days and 180 days rule? The simple explanation to understand that is sa loob ng 180 days, you are only allowed to stay in Schengen zone for 90 days. Okay? So for my case, I was given a 5 months validity and I'm only allowed to stay for 90 days within those validity period. So for those first time na magkaroon ng Schengen visa, now at least may reference na kayo between the validity of the visa comparing sa duration of stay. And the very simple explanation for this is kahit binigyan kayo ng 5 months or even 1 year visa validity, pero yung duration of stay is only for 90 days, then dapat for your first visit, dapat 90 days lang talaga yung sundan nyo yon. So, this is very helpful for those first time na nagkaroon ng Schengen visa. At least now, alam nyo na kung paano intindihin yung validity period sa duration of stay na binigay sa inyo. So, you just really have to follow on this. And kung may mga other questions pa kayo related sa Schengen visa sticker nyo, you can always ask me.